Hello students, I am Miguel. As you all know, I am from FEB. We have already uploaded videos regarding noun, pronoun and adjective. In this video, we are going to learn about verb. So, we are going to learn about verb with an example. If I say, I am shooting a video. So, which word here is an example of verb? Here, shooting is an action word that is an example of verb. So, how do we define a verb? A verb is a word that expresses what the subject does or what is being done to the subject or what the subject is. In this particular example, students, I am shooting a video. यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट I है और I क्या कर रहा है? वीडियो शूट कर रहा है. तो शूट यहाँ पे एक्शन बता रहा है. तो here shoot is an example of verb. Going on further, we can define verbs into many parts. Like first one is your main verb, second one is your linking verb, and third one is helping verb. So we are going to learn about all these kinds of verbs one by one. Starting with the main verb. If I say Ram is playing cricket, तो राम क्या कर रहा है? क्रिकेट खेल रहा है. तो here playing क्या है? Playing वर्ड आपका मेन वर्ब है. लेकिन इसके साथ साथ एक और वर्ड है is. is क्या कर रहा है? सब्जेक्ट को मेन वर्ब से जोड़ रहा है. तो here is an example of helping verb. So helping verb हम लोग हमेशा मेन वर्ब के साथ यूज करते हैं. In this example, Ram is playing cricket. Playing is the main verb और यहाँ पर is क्या है? आपका helping verb है, क्योंकि ये helping verb क्या करता है? आपके main verb को assist करता है, main verb को support करता है. Okay. Let us take another example. If I say we have watched this movie, तो यहाँ पे have जो वर्ड है, have वर्ड क्या हो जाएगा? आपका helping verb, क्योंकि आपका watch जो यहाँ पे main verb है, इसको have support कर रहा है, assist कर रहा है. Now we are going to understand about linking verb. If I say this dog is strong, here is an example of linking verb. So what is a linking verb? बेटा, a linking verb tells about what the subject is. और लिंकिंग वर्ब क्या करता है? सब्जेक्ट को उसके प्रेडिकेट के साथ जोड़ता है. यहाँ पे इज क्या कर रहा है? डॉग को किसके साथ ऐड कर रहा है? स्ट्रॉन्ग के साथ. तो हियर इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ लिंकिंग वर्ब. और लिंकिंग वर्ब के बाद आपका नाउन आता है, प्रोनाउन आता है या फिर एडजेक्टिव आता है. यहाँ पे इसके बाद स्ट्रॉन्ग है. स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्ड क्या है बेटा? आपका प्रेडिकेट है और एडजेक्टिव है. So here is will be an example of linking verb. I hope you are clear about main verb, helping verb and linking verb. Now let us learn about transitive verb and intransitive verb. I am giving you an example. I drink. Is it a complete sentence? No, because I drink what? So I complete this sentence by using our coffee. I drink coffee. Now the sentence is complete. So here, as you can observe, coffee is object here. So the verb that requires an object is transitive verb. तो यहाँ पे बेटा drink क्या हो जाएगा? Transitive verb. If I say the bird flies. So here fly is a verb that does not require an object. So fly will be an example of intransitive verb. So the verb that does not require an object is intransitive verb. I hope you must have understood about transitive verb and intransitive verb. The difference is of the object. So let us take other examples of transitive verb and intransitive verb. If I say the students received prize. So here received is an example of transitive verb because it has an object in the form of prize. And if I say the dog barks, here bark is an example of intransitive verb because bark does not have an object. So students, I hope you must have understood about helping verb, main verb, linking verb, transitive verb and intransitive verb. In the next video, we are going to learn about finite verb and non-finite verb. So please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching this video.